I'm going to go through the keyboard positions for chord song on page 29. This piece is in the key of E major. Put your right hand into E major position. That means your thumb is on E. That's Do. Re is a black key. Mi is a black key. Fa, so, fa, mi, re, do, so, do. So try it with me. 1, 2, sing and play. Do, re, mi, fa, so, fa, mi, re, do, so, do. Now put your left hand into the E major position, and here's the warm-up. Do, re, mi, fa, so, fa, mi, re, do, so, do. Be ready to play. Left hand in E major position. 1, 2, ready, sing and play. Do, re, mi, fa, so, fa, mi, re, do, so, do. Good, you're now in the correct position to play chord song. If you look at the piece, you'll notice that there are 4 lines of music. The first line and the fourth line look the same because they are. And so I'm going to show you how to play the first line, and then you can also play the fourth line. First of all, you will see chords that are stacked like this. And I bet you know the name of the chord. Yes, this is a 1 chord in E major. 1 chord, and the left hand plays it, holds it, plays it again, holds it, then the right hand plays it, and then the right hand plays it again. Okay, now if you start at the right hand, we're also going to play an E major chord, but we're going to play it melodically. Do, mi, so, mi, do, mi, so, mi, do. Sing and play. Do, mi, so, mi, do, mi, so, mi, do. Left hand does it also. Do, mi, so, mi, do, mi, so, mi, do. Sing and play. Do, mi, so, mi, do, mi, so, mi, do. Okay, take a moment and try to follow me as I do the chords, and then I'm going to do the melodic part. Here I go. Chords first, starting with the left hand. 1 chord, 3, 4. 1 chord, 3, 4. 1 chord, 3, 4. 1 chord, 3, 4. You may want to pause and try that on your own and then start it up again. Okay, I hope you're back. This time I'm going to play the melodic part on line 1. Play it with me. 1, 2, ready, play. Do, mi, so, mi, do, mi, so, mi, do. The left hand will do it. Do, mi, so, mi, do, mi, so, mi, do. Please practice those hands separately. Pause the recording. Try it out, then put it on again. Okay, hopefully you're back. Now we're going to put the hands together. So I have the left hand playing a chord while the right hand's playing the melody as the music suggests. 1, 2, here I go. Once you're able to do that, you're able now to play line 1 and the last line, line 4, which is exactly the same. What differs in line 2 is we're moving to a 4 chord. The 4 chord sounds this way. Do, fa, la. So take a moment and figure that out before you follow me. So we know do is here. We know fa is not here. So I'm going to move my finger over to la, and I have to find that excuse me, do, fa, and I have to find that la, and it's going to be one of these keys around here. Can you find it? I hope you did. Yeah, it's a black key, so you may have to stretch a bit. And the left hand will do the same thing. Now the way it's put together is the same as line 1, except we're using a 4 chord, held for 4 beats. Right hand held for 4 beats. I'm also playing it melodically. Left hand also. And I suggest you practice those hands first. When you're ready, then turn on the recording again and let's try hands together. Okay, here comes hands together. Okay, so you can go and try that out. Now we get to line 3, and it's pretty much the same thing again, except we're moving to the 5/7 chord. Let's sing it first. Ti, fa, so, fa, ti, fa, so, fa, ti. Now you already know where ti is. It's to the left of the do, and it's got to be the very next key, so I slide in to find that. There it is. There's my do, and there's my ti. We already know that fa is here, and we already know that so is here. Ti, fa, so, fa, ti, fa, so, fa, ti. Ti, fa, so, fa, ti, fa, so, fa, ti. Now I'm going to play it. And the left hand does it too. So stop the recording and play around with that 5/7 chord. And when you're ready, come on back. I hope you're back. Ti, fa, so, fa, ti, fa, so, fa, ti. And here I go. And guess what? I'm now back to the one chord. Okay, so here comes the whole chord song now. And this is what you want to practice. First, I'm going to practice just the chords. First line. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Second line has a 4 chord, which I play twice. Then the right hand does it. 2, 3, 4. Third line has a 5/7 chord. 2, 3, 4. Sorry, I didn't do 2 of them, but I think you get the idea. And we go back to the 1 chord. And the right hand does it as well. And I would practice that first. Then I would play it with the melodic part. That's the right hand part, then the left hand copies it. We move to the 4 chord, same pattern. Left hand copies it. 5/7 chord comes next. Notice my hand is already there. And I move to the left hand. And I'm back to the 1 chord. And the left hand follows. Okay, so let's say you're comfortable doing that. Then by all means, start putting the hands together. I hope this will help you practice this piece over the weekend.